Hello guys, good afternoon. So our vlog for today is sisig. Magluluto pa ako ng my own version of sisig. So I have here this is a boneless country ribs pork. Pero may taba-taba pa siya, oh. Still have some fats. I just gonna slice it into small pieces. So ito hiniwa ko siya ng I cut it into like strips, but I have to dice them into small pieces like this. Just small cuts. Yan, so we just cut it like that. So ito siya, we slice it into small pieces or cubes. And then we have to slice our for garnish. We're gonna garnish it later, but we have to slice it first. Tapos sunod natin ang ating ginger. Small. And then itong ating garlic. And then itong ating red onion. Laki. So ay magluluto po tayo ng sisig. So after na iluto natin yung sisig dito, i-transfer natin dito. So I will put this one in the oven for a while to heat it up. Alright guys, naglagay lang ako ng konting little bit of oil right there. We're gonna pour our pork. Lagay natin yung ating ginger, sliced ginger. Then lagay ko natin yung ating garlic. And syempre yung ating onion. And then iluto natin hanggang yung water becomes oil. And then lagyan po natin ng asin, paminta or ground black pepper. So now ganyan, nagiging oil na yung water kanina. So iluto lang natin na magiging golden brown siya. Ayan, nag-umpisa na siyang mag-brown, yung golden brown. Ilalagyan natin ng soy sauce. Just a little bit of more seasoning. Now actually it's done. It's all done, and then we're gonna transfer it into a sizzling plate. Ito na po yung ating sizzling plate. It's hot. So we're gonna put it into our green onions as a garnish. We don't need to cook it. So just get a little bit like this and pour it here. Sisig. I don't need to put any egg in it. So here is our sisig, my version of sisig, guys. I didn't put egg in it.